Now, today we just got the 11th issue of the Q&A of the Nio ONVO L60, and I must say some of the most important questions, or two of the most important questions which came, were about the orders and the battery swapping stations for Nio ONVO L60. And I must say it's very interesting of how ONVO communicated or responded to this question, which is what we want to discuss on this video. Now, the first question, without any waste of your time, ONVO was asked about the current orders, how far and all that, and their response when it comes to the orders is that the production capacity has been fine-tuned or continues to be fine-tuned, which just means that they are adjusting the production capacity of ONVO, which is what I think it goes hand in hand with what we read over the weekend last week, saying that the production capacity, the bottlenecks which they were experiencing, they are being able to handle them, sort them out, resolve them quickly, which might mean they will be able to deliver all of the models, all of the orders rather they received last week on Saturday. So this just means that we can expect some massive deliveries coming from ONVO, though we don't know how many, but we know that it might be more than the 20,000 which was expected to come only this year. This 20,000, you'll know that it is the total deliveries that initially ONVO and Nio was looking at. But based on what we have been hearing over the weekend and on this Q&A of saying that they are fine, that they are adjusting, of course, their production capacity, which just means one thing, or it means one thing, and that is we need to brace ourselves for what's coming. The 20,000 might just be the bottom of the belly. I think we are going to get more deliveries coming from the ONVO L60, which is what ONVO has also been telling us. So I'm happy, I'm excited about this. I mean, Morgan Stanley yesterday confirmed that ONVO has accumulated 50,000 orders, which therefore it means that if ONVO on Saturday came out and said they'll try their best to deliver all of their orders by this year, it means that 50,000 we can expect ONVO to deliver this year. But that again, it will depend on how they continue adjusting their production lines, and I think it might be possible, but we'll just have to wait and see. Now, the second question, which was also very important, which was posed onto ONVO, is the battery swapping stations. In terms of looking at the second generation swapping station, is ONVO going to also adjust some of the second generation battery swapping station to make sure that ONVO has got enough battery swapping stations? And the response to this question was ONVO is targeting to have battery swapping stations in 14 provincial regions by June of next year, covering 1,200 county level administration regions, which is something that tells us that by June ONVO will be having a battery swapping station of over 1,200, which they can go and perform battery swaps in. This, when I read this, it's absolutely great, it's absolutely amazing. Now, the first question, or this question of battery swapping station which was asked, you will know that Nio was clear and ONVO to say that they are adjusting some of the third generation battery swapping station to cater for ONVO. Fourth generation comes already ready, and third generation are the only battery swapping stations which they are updating, upgrading, and make sure that they also convert them to cater for ONVO, which is something that is pretty exciting. I think as it stands, third generation battery swapping stations are a lot, and they will help, of course, ONVO to get to these 1,200 county regions which they are targeting by June of next year. So yeah, man, these are some of the most important questions which were asked. 1,200 is what they are targeting by next year, June, and I think they will get to that, because you know that the plan was for ONVO to get to 1,000 battery swapping stations, or for Nio to adjust or have ready 1,000 battery swapping stations for ONVO to enjoy, which I still think they will be able to do that, or they'll be able to achieve that, which we look forward to. So 1,200 is not something that will be extremely difficult. Nio and ONVO will be able to achieve that, which will make or mean one thing, and that is the convenience that the Nio users will be getting. ONVO will also be getting the similar convenient. What we saw or what we heard from both Nio and ONVO is that the more they sell, or the more ONVO sells their car, is the more battery shopping stations Nio will open up for ONVO users to enjoy this kind of service which Nio offers. So yeah, man, I'm happy, I'm excited. I just thought I'd just give you this quick updates. Tell me what you think about this. I think these are massive bullish news. Blue sky is coming. Those that are persevering will definitely be rewarded in the long term. I hope to get more clarity in the future in terms of the number of the orders that ONVO has received. We look forward to the ONVO deliveries this month. Hopefully they sell plus 5,000, which will enable Nio to be able to have over 25,000 deliveries this month alone. So yeah, October we look forward, November and December we look forward as ONVO production capacity continues to ramp up and Nio continues to get solid orders also, which is something that is pretty exciting, and we look forward to that. Otherwise, that's all from me. Do your own due diligence before you buy this stock for the very first time, because it is quite volatile and therefore it requires you to do some due diligence so that at least you can be comfortable as you are investing onto this stock. Otherwise, that's all from me. I wish you nothing but the best in your stock market investing journey, and God bless you all.